Hello, brave citizens of Facebook. I am the Big Dog Dumpster, the ultimate solution to your waste challenges. Today, I am here to inspire you to take control of your clutter. Are you battling the chaos of an overflowing garage? Wrestling with the wilds of a yard in need of cleanup? Or perhaps you're a hero planning a community event and need a strong ally in waste management? I am here, ready to join forces with you. As a Big Dog Dumpster, I am not just a container, I am a symbol of transformation. I empower homeowners and businesses alike to conquer their waste, to turn disorder into order, to reclaim their space and their peace of mind. Our mission at Big Dog Dumpsters, driven by the visionary Stephen Boyd, is to provide you with an affordable, reliable solution to your waste disposal needs. Whether it's a basement cleanout, a home remodel, or any project big or small, I am here to shoulder the burden. And when it comes to affordability, we stand unbeatable. Our rates are as strong and competitive as my steel frame. We believe in offering value that empowers you to make that change, to clear out the old, and make way for the new. So, what's holding you back? As Tony Robbins would say, take the leap. Visit our website at bigdogfl.com or give us a call. Renting a dumpster from us is a step towards victory in your personal battle against clutter. Don't let waste win. Stand tall, take action, and choose Big Dog Dumpsters. Together, we will triumph over trash. Visit us, bigdogfl.com. Call for victory, 743-244-3294.